7 unbelievable moments when big cats and other animals hunt, eat their prey in the night. Pay attention to the world in which you wake up every day, and you will see that you are surrounded by an interesting ecosystem. And when you can't see that, the night is also lively, and that's true all over the world. In the wild animal world, it seems that there is nothing that can't happen. Let's find out how the big cat's 7 life nights will unfold with. The antelope kudu possesses very large and long horns, but that doesn't mean that it's completely safe. The bloodthirsty hyenas approach to attack and consume the prey. At night, not every animal has good sight. So, the kudu antelope was killed and turned into the hyena's meal. The strong and sharp teeth of the hyenas can stab through the skin of the antelope, making it feel painful. Despite their reputation as scavengers, hyenas are extremely effective predators, with their primary source of food coming from hunting alive prey. In 1-by-1 battles in Africa, hyenas are only slightly weaker than lions. The hyena's favorite prey include zebras, blue wildebeests, and buffaloes. Even large prey are not really their rivals when the quantities overwhelm the quality. The battles for food between the gluttonous animals continue at all hours of the day and night. The eating order in the lion pack is often the male lions first, then the pregnant lionesses, and at last the remaining lions. But when they are hungry, no matter what rules exist in the herd, the lion pack still fights to compete for food. The male lion strikes dramatically. It roars and threatens other lions. The cubs and lioness appear to be irritated. However, because of being unable to compete with the male lion, they have to give up. The leopard is a carnivore that hunts at night, stalking and killing its prey by biting its throat until it dies. In the video, you can see the scene of the 2 leopards devouring the antelope that they'd just hunted. To accomplish the goal, the 2 extremely intelligent and cunning leopards are willing to collaborate, work in groups, and share the trophies. In the daytime, the leopards were already formidable opponents for many animals because of their extremely fast speed and the acumen that not many animals possess. But at night, their skills don't go backward, but they get even better, making them one of the scariest predators at night. No matter how fast the antelope runs, it can't completely feel safe when nightfall arrives because predators are active at night. They have sharp eyes and ears in order to smell the blood, especially the hyenas. The hyenas are quite cunning and smart animals. They have hunting behavior in the herd and are active mostly at night. And the antelope in the video below is their prey tonight. The hyena's main hunting tool is its powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth. After being tortured by hunger, hyenas are not afraid to attack, devouring anything in front of them, including their own kind. After catching the prey, the hyenas will compete and devour the food without any concessions. Leopards are animals that develop their senses through hearing, sight, smell, touch, and especially the ability to sense. This trait can help them hide from the enemy, making it easier to attack the prey. The unfortunate case of the deer in the video below is when it was noticed and became the leopard's night meal. The leopard killed its prey in an instant, thanks to its expert hunting skills. The deer was bit at the neck by the leopard, causing it to suffocate and be unable to resist despite being devoured by the predator. Each of the male buffalo can weigh up to 1 ton, so they are not too scared of the lions. However, the buffaloes are unable to see the 2 lions in front of them due to the darkness. Before, the 2 lions attacked the prey together because they knew killing a buffalo was a difficult thing. Quickly, they grasped the target. Regardless of how hard the buffalo fight, the lions always win. The 2 lions comfortably enjoy the meal they seek. It's known that the reason the lions succeed in hunting is because the night allows them to surprise the prey. But in the moonlight, they sometimes must suffer from hunger. Frequently hunting at night, the leopard has great eyesight, 6 times better than a human's night vision. Besides, because of the hunting behavior at night, the leopards possess excellent eyesight, helping them easily discover the movement of the prey even in the dark. The antelope has become tonight's meal for the leopard. The antelopes, despite having fast speed, do not have good eyesight like leopards, so in the dark, they are easily targeted by the predators. Because of this, leopards can easily eat in the dark without exerting much effort. Want a surprise about the big cat's hunting skills? What do you think about this battle? Let's comment below and share your thoughts with everyone. And don't forget to like, subscribe for new updates, and follow the latest videos. See you soon in the upcoming videos.